Okay, happy Friday, guys. Today is our unit essay question to end the realism unit for us, and it centers around the story, The Outcasts of Poker Flat. We read this the week before we left here. We read this for a couple days, and we talked about the different kind of characters and what happens in the story. So I've reposted the story just in case you need to look back over it again to answer your test essay question. So what we focused on for the story was characterization. Authors write characters as either a round character or a flat character. Our main characters are round characters. These are characters who do things that are not normal for the kind of person they were at the very beginning of the story. They make contradictory choices for who they are. They surprise us sometimes. They evolve through the stories. They are that traditional, round character that we talk about. The flat character, I like to think of it kind of like a heart monitor when somebody flatlines, because somebody comes into the story and they stay this one person and they continue to be that person all the way through the end of the story and leave that way too. So we picked out several of these characters. Your test essay question then, you need to open a Google Doc, and here's what you're going to answer. I want you to pick two of the characters from the Outcasts of Poker Flat. One's flat, one round. Explain why this character fits into either category. Make sure to give me at least two details from the story to support your statement. Answer the question sufficiently. To do that, you should write at least one paragraph for each character. So take your time. Make sure you write 2 paragraphs. So to reiterate, you are writing 1 paragraph for a round character, right? And you're writing 1 paragraph for a flat character. And I can't spell flat, obviously. So make sure you do that, please. Then submit this to that assignment. Remember, if you have a study guide that's finished, take pictures of both the front and back. The picture needs to include your name. And also put that on the assignment. That'll get some extra credit points towards this essay question. Okay, any questions about it, email me. You can always ask me to Zoom. I'm sitting right here between 9 to 3. You can get me to give you an answer if you're confused about it. Perhaps if you weren't in class this last couple of days when we covered it, you're going to need to talk about it a little bit. That's fine. Just give me a call.